Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Snapchat messages quickly. So if you also want to delete Snapchat messages quickly, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Snapchat application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for map, chat, stories and spotlight. All you have to do is tap on the second icon, that is chats. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find all of your chats over here. So you can delete the Snapchat messages individually, or you can also delete the entire conversation if you want. First of all, I'll teach you how to delete the individual message. For that, what you have to do is tap on the chat of the person whose message that you want to delete. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to delete the individual message, all you have to do is long tap on the message that you want to delete. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like save in chat, copy, delete, chat reply, forward message, snap reply, create your avatar. Simply tap on the third option, that is delete. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the information regarding what is delete chat. When you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. This might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat, simply tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see three options over here: delete chat, learn more and cancel. Simply tap on the option delete chat. Now you can see over here that message has been deleted. You can also delete the entire conversation if you want. For that, all you have to do is go back. Now in the chat interface at top right, you'll be able to find three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like new chat, new shortcut, manage chats, manage friendships. Simply tap on the third option, that is manage chats. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you can see clear conversation written over here. You'll be able to find all of your conversations over here. Right next to the conversation, you'll be able to find the cross icon. If you want to clear the entire conversation, all you have to do is tap on the cross icon right next to the name of the person of whose chat that you want to delete. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Simply tap on the clear option that you can see on the screen. Now let's go back. Now you can see over here the entire conversation has been deleted. So that is how you delete Snapchat messages quickly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.